Hi everybody, I have a package here from a swap that we did, and this is from the Golden Planner Shop. Let's get that open. This is very exciting. Yale is the owner of the Golden Planner Shop, and she's got some really gorgeous stickers. I haven't seen any of these Fashion Girls before, and her packaging is great. Like, I'm not super sure. I'll have to ask her if these are hand-drawn, but oh my gosh. So there's a bunch of kits that we were able to get, and I'll go through them each one by one. So the first one is, there's no specific information about these. My brother's girlfriend, who I've talked about, her name is Radka, she did this swap where I guess she got a bunch of items. So this is interesting. This is the May monthly notes, and obviously you guys know we do not have Erin Condren's, but these two, that's really pretty. It's like a giant circle in the Erin Condren that can cover up like the monthly quote, and then there's two strips of, this is a sticker here, so there's a strip that says May monthly notes. It's not dated, which is good. This one completely doesn't have anything on it, and then there's a bottom strip of washi as well. So it'll be interesting to see how Radka uses these in her spread. Those are the two really cool monthly notes. It's interesting though, because they're cut in half. They're not folded. These circles are completely cut in half for easier application, I assume. So that's cool. I love the watercolor in this one. And this, I've honestly never seen this Fashion Girl. Like, I don't know if Yale draws these herself. Sorry, I missed this. This is a freebie. And cool. These are all individually cut headers. It's a really nice blue. And then there's like some of these like cute little girls. I want that to be me. And like a Happy Mail Bobo mailer, and then this is like a movie marquee. It's really cute. Next, we have this one in matte because it's easier to write on. And then each one of these actually says, thank you so much for your purchase. Use code THANKYOU15 for 15% off of your next purchase. And her shop is goldenplannershop.etsy.com. So this next kit, the full boxes, says, a room without books is like a body without a soul. And there's like a cute cat and some more girls. It's a cinnamon bun. That's so cute. And then this one just says, I love books, all the way across the pattern. That's the full boxes. Here is the bottom washi. It's like really understated, kind of like just like a small, like a light wash of color. You can see it better there. Like a light wash of color. It's a little bit washed out. And then here, they're all about a few different sizes. So it's the washi. Here are the today, so the headers, some half boxes, ombre heart checklist. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 heart checklists, ombre. Here's like weekend banner, date covers. Here's some corner flags. That's so cute. And some of these, I guess they're called quarter boxes. RSVP box, appointment box, and then weekly like habit trackers, which is cool. And then here's got like a bunch of little things, some deco, and a bunch of icons. Hopefully you guys can see that well. The color is, it's pretty. It's pretty on point. Like, it's like washed out colors because they're just more pastel. This is definitely like a wintry kind of kit. Then this is a coffee themed one. I already love it. This one says, like, let's take a coffee break, and there's just a bunch of really beautiful Starbucks cups, or Starbucks themed cups. I love this like marble pattern, and then like the latte art. This full box says, but first coffee. This one says, let's take a coffee break, and a bunch of girls here. This one, I love it. It says, hello, beautiful on top, and then I'm not bossy, I'm the boss. This one, let me adjust my crown and get my day started. This one says, it's good to be queen. This one says, here comes trouble. These are such creative, like beautiful boxes. I love them. Here, I love this latte art as washi, glitter washi. I like that little strip of glitter down the marble background. This is beautiful. Here are some colors that are kind of drawn in from the pictures here from the full boxes. So you've got your headers and then your half boxes, your 6 heart checklist. She pulled from like these two colors mainly. I think I would have preferred this colorway. It kind of matches better with my favorite one. Here again is kind of like a miscellaneous banners and quarter boxes and date covers and weekly things. And then here, I love this. These are all individually cut out. And then here are a bunch of little things and icons. Might be my favorite kit. This is a beautiful kit. I love this one. This one is more themed, kind of like Tiffany's colors. So I love that. It says, shopping is my cardio, some macaroons and bows. I'm obsessed with bows. This one definitely is a Tiffany's inspired item. It's one of their heart lockets, like really iconic pieces that Tiffany's has. And then this fashion girl has gone shopping with some coffee. This is interesting because it can become, I don't know, is that a Tiffany's snowflake? I'm not really sure, actually. Or is it more of a winter theme? Anyways, that's so cool. I like that there is all these different like gold tones, and it looks so fancy of these chandeliers. This is the washi, so the bottom washi, and then some cut strips. The headers and the half boxes, all of these are the same setup. They're all going to be set up the same. This one is cool. I love that she pulled all 4 colors in on this one for the ombre heart check boxes. The black will be a little bit hard to write on, I think, but I guess we'll see how that goes. Here are the date covers. I like that she used that background for that. And then the little things, the icons, and some deco. I think this is going to be really fun to plan with. These are so exciting to get new stickers and start seeing the things from lots of different people. I don't know if I mentioned this, but Yael, or like the Golden Planner Shop, she's based in Israel, and I think she threw in another freebie there. So this freebie is really similar to this one. It's just a different colorway, and the girls are doing something a bit different. Okay, so this one is obviously a gym and yoga inspired one. This full box is so cute. Like, again, the colors are really, really nice. This one says, burn baby burn, gym hair don't care, work it girl, and obviously all the essentials you would need in your gym routine. I really think that Yael has done such a fantastic job with the designs of these, and like the print quality we got the matte version, so it's I think it's still pretty good. Bottom washi and cut washi strips. Here are the to-do and half boxes. These colors are great. She's got such an eye for these designs. The ombre boxes. Here are the date covers, and this is the deco sheet, yoga inspired one. I will try my best to leave all links for like direct links to these kits down in the bottom bar so that you can buy them immediately if you would like. Last 2 kits. This one it's kind of like a New Year's themed one. When I see these colors, I kind of think New Year's, like celebration or preparing for celebration, and like obviously you've got the champagne here. I will leave the name of this exact kit down below and the link to it. So you got a robe, and then this one says, being busy is seriously overrated, slow down and relax. This one is really cool. It's 2 different stickers that are kind of like a double box size, and they're not cut individually. So you've got an entire full sticker there that you put down together. And then it's kind of like creates a little scene. I think that will look really cool. The full boxes, the Ciate nail polishes, perfect. They're completely like spot on. So that's the first sheet. Then you've got your washi, your bottom washi, and your cut washi again. I like this marble. I'm like really into marble and bows and stuff. Your today, to do little things, and a bunch of other headers, half boxes, ombre heart, like nice light colors. The weekend banner, this one looks a lot more prominent than the ones before. Date covers, very nice. And then your deco and your icons and little things. Doesn't this give you kind of like a New Year's vibe, like a relax after all of your Christmas craziness? I think so. Okay, so one more kit. Here's one last kit. This one is the Wonder Woman kit. I think that I'm not really sure where she got this art. Obviously, these full boxes are again very, very interesting and unique because you can create a scenery with them, like a scene with it, which is perfect. And this one, the quote box says, "Never lose your sense of wonder." And I think it's kind of interesting because Yael is from Israel, and then Gal Gadot is the Wonder Woman in the movies, so I really think this is a nice ode to her. Here's the washi. It's very interesting. Oh, this is the glossy one. I guess we must have gotten a glossy, so you can see a bit of a difference. It's not like super glossy, but it does look a little shinier in person. And I like that these colors are really, really saturated. So this is the bottom washi, the little things, or like the headers, the half boxes, the ombre. That color doesn't quite match, eh? This one, she didn't get it quite right here. Or maybe, yeah, I don't know. And the date covers are fun, super cool. I like those corner flags. I love that. And you've got your deco, this is much more reminiscent of like classic comic books. How they've got all of these. I don't mean this is not quite the stylized like movie, the darker version. But these kits are honestly so good. I cannot believe how many amazing shops there are out there. Definitely, I would say this is one worth checking out. Cannot wait to see how this will all kind of pan out. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 kits that are seriously gorgeous. So many stickers. This is the little haul from Golden Planner Shop. I will leave her links down below and like maybe right here. And you could go check her out. Tell her we sent you. We love these stickers. I'm so excited to discover some new shops, and this one cannot completely blew all my expectations out of the water. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you in my next video. Please like and subscribe and share this video and this channel with your friends. We love connecting with you, so leave a comment down below. And I will catch you in my next video. Bye!